एक्सरसाइज 8.1 क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 दोबारा से फिगर बना रही हूँ क्वेश्चन की। इफ द डायगोनल्स ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम आर इक्वल, लाइक क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट की हुआ था, डिस्कस किया था अभी हमने। P Q R S is a parallelogram and it is given that the diagonals are equal. So first we will write what is given in the question. Given is PQRS is a parallelogram and second thing is given diagonals are equal, means PR equal to QS. We have to prove that this is a rectangle. रेक्टेंगल और पैरेललोग्राम में डिफरेंस कहाँ है? रेक्टेंगल का अगर हम पैरेललोग्राम का ईच एंगल, ये सारे एंगल्स 90 डिग्री प्रूव कर दें तो हमारा रिजल्ट प्रूव हो जाएगा दैट दिस पैरेललोग्राम इज अ रेक्टेंगल। So to prove PQRS is a rectangle, to prove, for that first we need to make the triangles congruent. इन triangles को congruent प्रूव करेंगे। Triangle PSQ, in triangle PSQ and triangle QRP. QRP. We have to prove that these two triangles are congruent. First condition is PQ is equal to QP. Common. Second condition, it is given that diagonals are equal. In first triangle PSQ, SQ is the diagonal, and in the second triangle QRP, PR is the diagonal. So SQ is equal to RP. Given in the question that diagonals are equal. And the third condition is we know that the opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. So PS is equal to QR. Also given because PQR is a parallelogram. Therefore, triangle PSQ is congruent to triangle QRP by triple S congruency. ट्रिपल एस कॉन्ग्रुएंसी के साथ दोनों ट्राइंगल्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट हो जाएंगी। इफ दीज ट्राइंगल्स आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट देन वी कैन से दैट एंगल P is equal to angle Q by CPCP. Angle P is equal to angle Q by CPCP. But we know that if two lines are parallel, then the sum of co-interior angles is 180 degree. Since PS is parallel to QR, therefore angle P plus angle Q is equal to 180 degree co-interior angles. Co-interior angles, right? But P or Q equal है. Here the sum of P and Q is 180 degree. But we have already proved that angle P is equal to angle Q. It means the measure of each angle is 90 degree. Therefore angle P is equal to angle Q is equal to 90 degree. And we also know that the opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. If P is 90, then angle R is 90. अगर P 90 है तो इसका opposite angle R 90 होगा. अगर Q 90 है तो इसका opposite angle S 90 होगा. Therefore, P R is equal to 90 degree. Q is equal to S is equal to 90 degree because opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. Therefore, PQRS is a rectangle. Right? Any doubt in any step of this question? Note down this question. Yes, Anshika.
यस मैम, गुड मॉर्निंग मैम। मैम वहाँ पे आपने जो लिखा है PS is equals to QR given, मैम वो कैसे आया?
PS is equal to QR. Opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. अभी properties लिखी थी ना? कल लिखी थी प्रॉपर्टीज हमने पैरेललोग्राम, स्क्वायर, रेक्टेंगल, रोम्बस सबकी। उसमें साइड प्रॉपर्टी क्या है पैरेललोग्राम की? दैट ऑपोजिट साइड्स आर इक्वल। PS is equal to QR because PQRS is a parallelogram. Yes, any other doubt? Now next question, question number 3. Question number 3 is, show that if the diagonals of quadrilateral bisect each other at right angle. So now what is given? One quadrilateral is given. Suppose ABCD is a quadrilateral. Now write down what is given. Given is, if the diagonals of quadrilateral bisect each other at 90 degrees at right angle. These are the diagonals. Bisect means they cut each other into equal parts. It means it is given that AO is equal to CO and PO is equal to P. One thing is this. Second is they bisect each other at 90 degree. 90 degree means the angle between these diagonals where they intersect or bisect is 90 degree. I'm going to write only one angle. Angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. Right? We have to prove that this figure is a rhombus. Prove ABC is a rhombus. Rhombus की properties में यार diagonals bisect at 90 degree, वो तो given है, diagonals की property already proved है. हमें क्या property prove करनी है अब इसमें? That all sides are equal. The all sides of this quadrilateral are equal. तो इसके लिए हमें consecutive triangles लेनी पड़ेंगी, adjacent triangles लेनी पड़ेंगी. Adjacent means साथ साथ opposite लेंगे तो opposite sides equal हो जाएंगी. Consecutive adjacent triangles अगर लेंगे तभी उसकी adjacent sides equal होगी. So first we will take these two triangles. Triangle AOB and DOC, right? So write down in triangle AOB and triangle COP. First condition is AO is equal to CO given in the question. Second is OB is equal to OB common. Third condition is angle between the diagonals is 90 degrees. So angle AOB is equal to COB is 90 degree. Therefore, by SAS, both triangles are congruent. Therefore, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COB. By SAS, both triangles are congruent. If these two triangles are congruent, then AB is equal to BC. Therefore, AB is equal to BC by CBC. Now we will take the opposite triangles to prove opposite sides are equal. So what will we take now? We take in triangle AOB and in triangle COD. In triangle AOB and triangle COD. First condition is AO is equal to CO given. OB is equal to OD given. Angle AOB is equal to COD, vertically opposite angles, or you can also write each angle is 90 degree. Therefore, triangles are congruent by SAS. Therefore, AB is equal to CD by CBC. Now, AB is equal to from here. AB BC equal है, AB CD के भी equal है. It means AB BC और CD दोनों भी equal है from 1 and 2. This is number 1. Number 2, from 1 and 2, AB is equal to BC is equal to CD. Similarly, if we prove that these two triangles are congruent, अगर हम prove कर दें COD और AOD दोनों triangles congruent है तो CD AD के equal हो जाएगा. If we prove that these two triangles are congruent, then CD और AD equal आ जाएंगे. What we will do right now? Similarly, we can prove that triangle COD is congruent to triangle AOD by SAS. First part we किया था. Similarly, we can prove these two triangles are congruent. Therefore, AD is equal to ED. Let it be number 3 and this is number 4. Therefore, from 3 and 4, AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to D. सारी sides equal आ जाएंगी. Therefore, ABCD is a rhombus. Now, any doubt in any step of this question? We can do this question like this way also. In दोनों triangles को congruent किया, then these two triangles are congruent, these two triangles are congruent, and these two triangles are congruent. Adjacent triangles congruent होगी, so all sides are equal. Yes, Haridya.
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, how did we get AD is equal to CD?
AB is equal to CD. Here, Haridya.
No, ma'am. AD is equal to CD. Ma'am, जब हमने ADB and triangle COD को congruent
Okay.
किया है.
अगर हम इन दोनों triangles को congruent prove कर दें, by CBCD, CD और AD equal नहीं आ जाएंगे?
Okay, ma'am.
तो
And ma'am, हमने triangles को
क्योंकि
कैसे?
हम already एक adjacent triangles को congruent prove कर चुके हैं. You need not to prove it again. कर भी दोगे, even then it is right, but need not to do. Write down similarly, we can prove.
Okay, ma'am.
Then from 3 and 4, AB, BC, CD equal है, CD, AD के भी equal है. It means ये चारों sides क्या हो जाएंगी? Equal. Now note down this question. Take 1 minute to note down this. Those who have done, they can read the next question. Now next question, question number 4. Question number 4 is show that diagonals of square are equal and bisect each other at 90 degree. Means we have to clear the diagonal properties of square. What is given in the question? ABCD is a square. A and B are its diagonals. Okay, one. ABCD is a square. diagonals bisect each other means we have to prove AO is equal to CO, OB is equal to OD, and bisect at and equal भी prove करना है. तो first part में prove करेंगे equal, right? First part में prove करेंगे AC is equal to BD, that diagonals are equal. First part. Second part prove करेंगे they bisect each other, that is AO is equal to CO, OB is equal to OD, and in third part 90 degree they bisect at 90 degree means the angle between the diagonals is 90 degree. That is AO is equal to 90 degree. These three things we have to prove here now. So first we have to prove that the diagonals are equal. Okay, who will tell me how can we prove? Yes, raise your hand. Yes, Kashish. Malinda ma'am, unmute any one of the students, those who have raised their hands.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Vansh.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. So we can prove that triangle COB is strong by proving triangle COB is congruent to triangle AOD.
AOD and COB. इन दोनों triangles को कह रहे हो आप? These two triangles?
Yes, ma'am.
नहीं, इसमें वंश अभी हमने diagonals को bisect, इसमें तो half half part आ रहे हैं diagonal के. इस triangle में सिर्फ OC part आ रहा है. इस triangle में सिर्फ OD और AO part आ रहा है. हमें full diagonals की length चाहिए.
Excuse me,
ADC and ABD.
Excuse me, ma'am.
ma'am. If we prove triangle ABC and triangle ADB congruent, then we
Yes.
can get these two diagonals are equal.
Yes. Here पहले आप check करो कि AC और BD किन two triangles के part है. AC is the part of this triangle ABC and DB is the part of this triangle ADB. If we prove that these two triangles are congruent, then by CPCT we can prove that AC is equal to BD. So first of all, we prove these triangles are congruent. So start writing. First part, in triangle ADB and triangle BCA. First condition is AD is equal to BC because it is a square. So we'll simply write given square to such sides equal होती है we know. Second, AB is equal to BA common. AB is equal to BA common, and it is a square, so the angle between the side is 90 degree. These angles are 90 degree. So write down. Angle A is equal to angle B, 90 degree. Each 90 degree. So by SAS, both triangles are congruent. Therefore, triangle ADB is congruent to triangle BCA by SAS. Therefore, AC is equal to BD by CBC. First part हो गया. Now second part. Yes, Manav. Manav, how can we do the second part?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Manav, how can we do second part?
Ma'am, first we take
Yes, which triangles? Now see, we have to prove AO is equal to CO and OB is equal to OD. Can we take opposite triangles?
AOD and DOC.
इसको congruent करना है. Now condition.
Ma'am, yes.
First condition. Okay, who will tell? Haridya.
Ma'am, the first condition will be angle DOC is equal to angle
Ma'am, DO
DOB
is
because
equal
of
to
vertically
DO
opposite
common.
angles.
वेट, एक जना बोले, मानव अभी हरिद्या को बोलने तो पहले. Yes.
Ma'am, angle DOC is equal to angle AOB by vertically opposite angles.
Okay, second condition.
Ma'am, and we can prove that angle CDO is equal to angle OBA by alternate interior angles.
Yes. Third
Because
condition.
CD and AB are parallel.
ठीक, right. Third
And
condition.
ma'am, the third condition will be that again, ma'am, we can prove the angle DCO will be
हरिद्या, फिर आपने
equal
तीन
to
एंगल्स
angle
बता
OAB.
दिए. आपने फर्स्ट भी एंगल बताया था, अब वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट. सेकंड भी आपने अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल बताया, थर्ड भी अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल. बट वहां से तो ट्रिपल ए कॉन्ग्रुएंसी इज नॉट पॉसिबल. ठीक है.
Yes,
We can
ma'am.
take this side AB equal to CD as it is a square,
Yes, ma'am.
right? So start writing in triangle AOB and triangle COD. You can prove this by ASA congruency rule also, as well as with double AS. AAS दोनों के साथ हो जाएगा. I am going to do it with ASA. Let this angle be angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 3 is equal to angle 4. These are alternate interior angles. As we know that in a square, opposite pair is parallel. And the last condition is AB is equal to CB. Given as it is a square. So by ASA, both triangles are congruent. Therefore, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD by ASA. Therefore, by CPCD, therefore AO is equal to CO and PO is equal to PO by CPCD, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Now the last is AOB को 90 degree prove करना है. Third part. 90 degree prove करने के लिए if we prove that these two triangles are congruent, adjacent triangles को congruent prove कर दें तो adjacent pair से ये दोनों angles equal आ जाएंगे. अगर ये angles equal आ गए, as also these angles form a linear pair, तो each angle 90 degree हो जाएगा, right? So start writing. Take triangle in triangle AOB and triangle AOB and COP. First condition is AO is equal to CO. Proved. AO is equal to CO. Proved. Third condition is BO is equal to BO common or OB is equal to OB common. And the last condition is AB is equal to CD. Given as it is a square and square, all sides are equal. Therefore, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COB by triple S congruency. Right? Therefore, angle AOB plus angle COB is equal to angle COB CPC. But AOB plus COB form a linear pair 180 degree. Therefore, each is 90 degree. Therefore, AOB equal to COB is equal to 90 degree. Third part prove हो गया. Any doubt in any part? Note down this question. अभी हमने प्रूफ किया कि अगर डायगोनल्स अभी हमने डायगोनल स्क्वायर है तो डायगोनल्स को इक्वल प्रूव किया, बाइसेक्ट प्रूव किया और 90 डिग्री पे वो बाइसेक्ट करें, ये प्रूव किया। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में क्या है, ऑल थ्री कंडीशंस आर गिवन, वी हैव टू प्रूव इट इज अ स्क्वायर। मींस जो हमने यहाँ पे प्रूव किया वो गिवन है और जो गिवन है वो प्रूव करना है आपको। So now next is show that if write down, draw the figure of next question. Show that if the diagonals of quadrilateral are equal and bisect each other at right angle, then it is a square. Draw the figure and write down given and to prove yourself. तो यही बनी रहेगी